So my name's Tony Davey. I am an engagement officer over at The Box, which is Plymouth Museum, Galleries and Archives. Been there for 13 years. And my role really is about engaging the people of Plymouth around their culture and heritage. There's an interesting thing about the Civic Centre is that it was the kind of crowning glory of the rebuild of Plymouth. The building started in '47 and kind of finished around '62. It's regarded as finishing at '62, and the Civic Centre was the kind of crown on top of that build. So it was very shiny, very new, very modernist, and it kind of said to not only the people of Plymouth but the people of the rest of the world, you bombed the hell out. So it was based on the Lever building in New York, loosely, and was lots of people loved it when it first opened, because it was just amazing to look at and to think Plymouth had this kind of quality building. It was designed to bring lots of disparate parts of the council all together in one building. When councils are faced with budget pressures, things like repair and upkeep of buildings tends to get knocked down.
Yeah, I'm ready, bro, I'm ready. It's rhythms. Gee, yeah?
Wow.
Yo, I can't talk these days, I've been out in the whip. Skirt them from, I've been out in the blitz.
I call it the Marmite building in Plymouth. People either love it or hate it. And I'm in the love it camp. I think it's a great building.
No shit, it's a no comment to the pigs. Who's that joke? Still out, still taking a risk. I was bored anyway, so I don't give a shit. Bored of the game cause it dried up a bit, so I gave it the flame and I fueled up and shit. Now I'm feeling to spit, man, I'm feeling to rip up the rooftop with it. I've been feeling the sub and the bass in the speaker, let me cut off the riff, I go deeper with it. Yo, let the bass line rinse, that's right. Yeah, when it ain't work, then I wanna just vibe, and I'm off the box, man, I love getting high, so I don't really shut. I smoke the supply in the night, and that's peak, but that's truth though, and that's me, fam. And this off time flows pretty nice, bro. You couldn't make a beat this fast, shit's got natural.